How to check headphone battery on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check headphone battery on iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to just be on the home page, then long press on the home page. Then you will see this icons. Tap on the edit option on the top left and choose add widget. Now we are going to add a battery widget which will show us our battery percentage. So scroll down here and tap on batteries. Then you can find different options of batteries. So just select any one of these. So I'll just select this one. And now whenever you connect it to your earbuds or headphones, your earbuds and headphones battery will get shown right here. And that's how you can check your headphone battery on iPhone or iPad. And that's basically it guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.